Changing the Hotend on my Bambu A1 Mini printer. There's actually a third-party hardened steel nozzle in there at the moment that's working really well, to be honest, but I'm going to put the original Bambu Hotend back in. So the first thing I want to do is just lift the Z-axis slightly, because there is filament in the printer. Is remove the filament first, so I'll go into settings and click unload. The nozzle is heating up, so I can pull the filament out. And obviously when it's done this, you're going to have to let it cool down a little bit before changing the Hotend. It's nearly there now, so it won't be long before it beeps to tell me I can pull the filament back. Just let it purge the filament. Obviously you won't need to do this if you don't have filament in the printer. So now that's done, it just beeped, so I can pull it back. Just need to do with that, unload complete. Like I said, just let that cool down now. Just pull the plate, the cover off. There's a couple of clips, can be a bit fiddly as you just seen. Remove the sock. Then you will see there's a clip. You just pull that clip across, but like I said, I'm going to let it cool down a little bit first. Let's just move the clip out of the way. It's still quite hot, so that's why I'm using these tools. And that is just left in by a magnet. You can see the old filament there, which I can pull out because it's still quite warm. Like I said, I'm going to put the original Bambu nozzle back in. That simply just clips in, like so. And then your clip just simply clips back over. Then put your sock back on. These can be a bit fiddly. Push the bottom bit in first, then the top bit, and that should be done. I'll switch the printer back on now and load the filament just to make sure everything is okay. Before I put the cover on, I will just, like I said, make sure everything is okay. Load the filament. Again, now that's heating the nozzle back up. But these third-party nozzles, I gotta be honest, are really good. They're less than £10 and it has the tip that you can actually take off, so you can replace the tips. I've had that in there now for the last 8 months without any problems. Just push the filament back up now until you feel it, and then click finish continue. As you can see, it's now purging the filament. Continue, yes. You can see it purging the filament. This is, like I said, the original nozzle that comes with your printer, but absolutely nothing wrong with the third party one I was using. That is now complete. I just want to change the color of my filament because I'm using red. Don't know why that's on blue. Genetic PLA. Would help if I hit red. There we go. So we'll just move that back to home. And we'll place the cover back on. Which simply snaps into place. Anyway, it's that easy. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as it helps the channel, and hopefully I will see you on the next video.